And nice to see you, D. There we go. All right. Hey, everybody, it's Mike. This is Daniel Devers. Many of you probably recognize this guy. We've known each other a long time.
A very long time, yes.
So since high school, I used to try to chase you down when playing football.
Well, I don't remember the chase down part, but I do remember trying to block this guy, and as you can see, he's probably about 2 times as big as I am. Imagine in high school, I probably weighed about another 30 pounds less.
Yeah.
So it didn't work out too well in my favor.
You graduated from SDSU. You've been around a long time. You know, as life has progressed, you're now full steam into your career.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about what you've been doing lately for consumers and customers.
Absolutely. I mean, just given what's going on in the current market itself, I've been able to help a lot of people just protect the assets that they've been building up over time, to protect them from the market. But outside of that, just getting into my career, I've been with the firm that I'm with now for about 9 years, and it's been awesome. I've had a chance to help many families protect their assets, build wealth, preserve wealth, have some things to pass down to their children and their grandchildren, and things like that.
So I talk a lot about, building wealth through real estate, and, the income tax benefits of real estate ownership help accomplish that. And obviously appreciation's good.
Yes.
Depreciation's good on rental properties. And then obviously the income tax benefits. But you're looking at, building people's wealth from a different angle.
Absolutely.
And I do believe in diversifying your investments. So, what type of vehicles are you presenting to your customers?
Yes. So currently I really focus on protected assets. One of them might be known as life insurance. We do IRAs. Things that are going to allow people to put some money away, set it aside, and get the compound of interest to work in their favor. Long-term assets.
Yeah. So a book I read a long time ago was Simple Wealth, Inevitable Wealth, and it's the compound interest theory, which builds wealth over time.
Yes.
So you're not looking for a customer to write a check for $50,000 or $100,000 to you. I mean, maybe you are sometimes.
Yeah.
But I mean, sometimes it can be as easy as starting at $50 to $100 a month.
Yes, absolutely. And that's one thing I'm glad you brought that up, because we have a lot of clients that because they may not have a certain amount of resources, they might feel like maybe they're not able to put some money aside for the future and allow it to grow. Well, we do have some opportunities for people to be able to do $50 to $100 a month, or maybe even more. And then we do have clients that do cut those checks for $50,000, $100,000. So it's a broad spectrum. I'm proud to be able to say that I can work with the full 100% of the population.
Yeah, well, it's good. Everybody needs to start, right?
Yes.
And so, starting points can be small and work their way up.
Yes.
I had a really great conversation one time with a client of mine, and this customer wanted to buy real estate, and she wanted to buy, her goal was 3 rental properties, and she had $500,000 budget to use as a down payment from all these rental properties. And out of curiosity, I asked, well, where'd this money come from? And she said, well, my husband and I have been buying life insurance policies for the last, 10, 15 years.
Yes.
And so what they did was they bought small policies in the beginning, and then obviously over time increased their policy amount. So it's a great solution to build wealth through some of these vehicles that you offer.
Absolutely.
And then eventually diversify into real estate as well.
Absolutely. And that's actually one of the ways that we've been talking to our clients about being able to use these things for the future. I have a woman, and I won't say her name because people probably know who she is, but she's putting $400 a month into one of the solutions that we have for her child, her grandchild actually. And it's building for that, when he gets ready to go to college, there's some funds there for that. Maybe if he wants to just put a down payment on a home or purchase some property, or any type of major purchase, there's going to be money there. We were able to allow her to, put that plan in order for him. So.
Yeah. Say somebody's watching right now and says, all right, I am interested. I'm interested in, I haven't been able to start. I haven't started. I've been nervous, anxious, scared, busy, or get distracted, you know. If they wanted to start, what would be your first steps in your process?
Yes. So the first step is to find out where you are, right? We got to find out where you are first. And then we look at what are some of your goals, your dreams, things that we allow you to think big, because there really are no limitations if we put the right plan in place, right? So we got to figure out where you are, put a plan together, and then along the way, check in with you and make sure you're following that game plan.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Well, if you guys like more information about Daniel's services or all things home finance, feel free to reach out to us in the links you'll see below, and
Absolutely.
we'll talk to you real soon.